Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Optima EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.